Yo, what is up? So, we're gonna continue with some, main menu stuff. Lord Kenny, I'll be alright back. Gotcha. Mr. Direxus, what's up? What you got going on? What up? So I got that damn menu thing situated. I fixed it when I got off stream. So that's dealt with. I also added, like scroll to zoom the camera, but I'm gonna tweak some things with that here in a second. I learned BP interfaces and event dispatchers. Hell yeah, they will come in very, very handy. I know before I understood event dispatchers, I was using like timer by event on a lot of things that didn't need it. And now I replaced that with a lot of event dispatchers. Pretty useful. Yeah, and it was easier than I was thinking. Yeah, it's not really that hard. It's not that crazy. It's basically just calling an event, pretty much. They both pretty much do the same thing, but for like different circumstances. Okay, let's go to main menu. And I made my my scroll a little messy, so I'm gonna see about cleaning that up here. So I added in the ability to not only zoom with the buttons, but I can now just scroll and zoom for both sides. But the code's a little messy. Don't see about cleaning it up. Thought of a way I could clean it up, so I'm gonna try it out here. Oh, nice, yeah. So we can press the button and we can just scroll. But you'll see here in a second, it's pretty messy the way I set it up. Yeah, right here, this big ol' mess. So I just looped reset everything coming off a sequence at the end, but what I think I can do is just add another sequence here and a delay, 0.3, and then just add this into the reset of the do once. Pretty sure. Let's see. See if this works. Just do this. That should, we need a sequence. Okay, we need another sequence coming off the delay. Let's see if this works. Hook that into the reset. And then hook that into the reset. Let's see if that works. Looks like it does. Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. It's not quite working as good as I would like. Hold on. Yeah. It's working on the back. Okay, maybe not. We'll just leave it how it was. Worked better with that, not doing it this way. We'll just leave it messy. It'll be okay. Like this, yeah. Works better the other way. Just give that a test again real quick. Yeah. There we go. Yep. We'll just leave it that way then. A little messy, but it'll be okay. So let's go into... let me check my widgets. See what we need to make next. I think we're at the point of actually starting to make some of these menus where we're actually going to start adjusting our character. Because I got this situated. Oh, wait a second. I need to change some things here. Yeah, we're about ready to start making our other menus. I need to, when I click these, I need to change this text. So that's something I could do real quick. Never touch a running system? What do you mean? What you mean? Yeah, this thing's messy, but it works. The camera zoom, I was just gonna try to clean it up, but it don't want to be clean. It wants to stay messy. It wants to be a big old mess, but that'll be okay. I don't see why it doesn't work though. Because I'm doing basically the same thing. I'm just adding the delay at a different spot. Not sure why it wouldn't work. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Oh well, it'll be okay. So let's see. Maybe could you have 2 delays then instead of 1? Yeah, I'm not sure if it counts this blend time as a delay. But I only have 1 delay here. But this delay, this was only affecting when this is being set enabled after I disconnected all of that. But I don't know. I guess it just has something to do with the execution flow. But it'll be okay. It'll be okay. We'll leave it like this. Just let it messy? Yeah, we'll just let it messy. We'll just let it stay messy. I mean, I could probably come in and tweak some wires and clean it a little bit, but that'll be okay for now. So let's go into our widgets, character creator widget. And let's see. Go into the graph. Yeah, we basically need to do this kind of a thing again right here, but for our details menu. Let's go ahead and make one of our other menus, I guess. Doomwop, yo, what's up, everyone? What's up, Doomwop? What you got going on? We out here still working on menus. So let's create... So we got this menu. Yo, what's up? Yeah, what up? What up? So let's go ahead and make... We'll duplicate... Which one do we want to duplicate? We can duplicate this. This one, I guess. Let's duplicate this one. This is going to be our general widget. General underscore W. And we're going to change this up completely. But for now, let's just go ahead and add it over here. we need... Let me look at how my other menu is set up. This one. Okay, we just need it on the canvas panel, I guess. That works. Throw that guy there. Center this. Like that. Size the content. And we'll leave this one like that for now. So what do we want on our general? Let me look at my references. I know we're gonna change our male and female here. But what else are we putting on it? Could set our age and stuff there. Where is it at? This one? No, not that one. This one, I think. Yeah, so we're gonna set... Oh yeah, we could set our voice here. And we're not really gonna do the blush tones or anything like that. We're not gonna do scarring. Let me look at this. We could do the maturity. I kind of want to try doing the maturity the way that Baldur's Gate 3 did it. Because they have basically a lerp that goes between young and old. I think that would be kind of cool. This looks sick, dude. This is Baldur's Gate 3. This right here is Baldur's Gate 3. We're just using it as reference.
My name is Skylar White, yo. Walter White, yo. Uh-huh.
It's
He
Lord
told me
Kitty.
everything.
What's up? What up, Lord Kenny? Oh, welcome back. Oh, some Kenny spawned? Yeah, Kenny spawned. Just completed my localized volumetric fog material, and now I've got some nice dust being blown over my my title landscape. So sexy. Hell yeah. I think that's Casey, but his name is really purple right now, so it's hard to tell. It's hard to see. Let me check. Let me just pull this up over here. Completed my localized volumetric. Yeah, that's Casey. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, I bet it's looking dope. I bet it's looking hella dope. Do we have any fog stuff? It could be cool to add some dust or something. I don't think I've added any particle packs in here. Yeah, I haven't added any particle packs. I've got some I could add. I'm not really worried about making this pretty yet, though. Hi, man. Thank you. Hey, I appreciate the biddies. But what's up? What you got going on? What is up? Okay, so we're making our general menu. This is gonna be our first character changes are gonna happen on this menu. So I'm just trying to think of how I want to set it up. I'm thinking about doing the maturity the way Baldur's Gate 3 did. They have this little scroll and it lerps between the young to old age. I just wonder how hard that would be to set up. Not too much, really. Have you got a different character in the main menu? No. Still the same character right now. Still the same guy. I got the that whole other menu situated though. We got this situated, and I added some scroll with the mouse wheel. Let me fix that texture streaming real quick. I don't know why it wants to wig out on texture streaming. Because because I have such tiny, tiny textures. Let me look. Shrill Duck, yo, what's up, Shrill Duck? What you got going on? And make your character in game that dies from old age? Oh, if you get too old, you die? We could add that mechanic. You gotta beat the game at a time limit or you get old and die. And if you start as an old character, that means you have less time. What are you doing to prevent the character from being able to walk around the main menu? So, on our level blueprint here, I'll show you. I have, on begin play, we have set movement mode to none. And then this is where we're setting the first camera and stuff, and setting that we're on the main menu. So, yep. That's all we're doing. Then we have our camera controls down here, and then we have our rotation. Yeah, I added rotation too. Forgot to show that, but yeah. So we can rotate our character now too, and just scroll in and out. Rotate our boy. Yeah. I love that Drake and Duck emote. Yeah, it's a pretty damn good emote. I dig it. Oh, that makes sense. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, we're just setting the movement mode to none. That's all we're doing. Yes, time limit run. But we already got our hardcore run. We need to add hardcore timed. What about a night daytime switcher in the character, in the creator? Do you see the character in night conditions? We could add something like that. Like a, let me find the main character creator widget. Like maybe a little button in the top corner that if you press it, it'll switch to nighttime. If you press it, it switches to daytime. We could do something like that. Oh, that's a lot of cameras? Yeah, we got a lot of cameras. We got 6 cameras right here, and we got another camera up here. Yeah, right up here. Right here. I'm kind of curious if we could set that up. Can we set up a button that switches the time? Let me think about how I would. Well, I kind of have an idea how I would do it. Just trying to debate on if I want to make another widget for it. Sure, why not? Let's see if we could do that. Although, how we could add it. If we change things, we'll just change it later. For now, we are outside, so let's go to character creator. Let's make a user interface widget. We'll call this day night switcher underscore W. Yeah. Watch out for feature creep. Feature creep? Yeah, feature creep will get you. That feature creep will get you. Just like, ooh, let's add this now. Let's add this now. And make it depending on what you eat, you can get heart problems in games. So when you get old, you have to keep your heart rate down in games.
Cut his fucking head off!
Oh, is it Casey's turn? Are we cutting Casey's head off now? We cut everyone else's head off at this point. Keep your heart rate down in game. If it goes too high, you could have a heart attack. This sounds like old person generator. This just sounds like life generator. Which is the quick idea, but would also need a small light too on nighttime. Yeah, we could add like a little point light over here that changes whether it's day or night. Or we could add Like maybe just a like a torch, some torch sticks around the player. It'd be cool. Casey's turn, I'm trying to extract some of that juicy information of materials. Damn right. We're all about to extract that material info out of you. Okay, so let's add a button. And let's center this button. Button. Let's size it to 240 here. And let's pull up some of the other. Let me copy this color right here. And this is, we're gonna call this time of day switcher button. And we're gonna paste that guy there. Paste that guy there. Let me copy, we don't need this guy right now. Let me grab this guy. Paste that guy there. And depends on what happens in game, you might have to start using a walker or wheelchair in game. That sounds like the worst game ever. I don't want to use a walker or a wheelchair. I like your creativity in DLC old man mounts. Yeah, we just make mounts. We'll make it like a mount. Okay, so we want text. And that text. For now, we'll make this say night. Font. Let's make it lemon milk. We'll give it 2 padding. And size, we'll say 15. And we'll give it outline of 1. We're gonna set is variable. We're gonna call this time of day text. Make it a mount where the character carries the horse? What? How are you gonna carry a horse? Let me change the outline of this. Outline we'll make black and turn the alpha down, and that guy right there. Same thing down here. Black, turn the alpha down. Check that guy. Dennis Wu, morning. What's up, Dennis Wu? What you got going on? We out here making buttons. We making buttons. So let's. We got this. Let's make a enum. Let's go to our blueprints. Enums, character creator enums. Make a blueprint enum. Time of day underscore e. And we'll set it to. We'll set one called day. We'll set one called night. Like that. Nice. My house got rejected purely because Unreal reviews my stuff on lowest graphic settings. What? What'd they say? What? Okay, so that should be fine. Let's add this to the menu up here in the top corner.
The time for talk has passed. The Lord's work must be done.
Hell yeah. I appreciate the biddies. Hell yeah. What the hell was that from? They're like, this part looks bad? Yeah, no shit, what? They just said this part looks bad. And that's it. What the hell did I just name that widget?
Hello,
Oh, day-night switcher. Yo! Who's that? Addig K? What's up? What you got going on? What is up? Shared in the Discord as well yesterday? Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Day-night switcher widget. Let's throw this guy right here. Bringing it to the top left. Button ultra low, they look like mirrors. What's wrong with that? In ultra low, everything kind of looks janky. We'll do 50. We'll throw it there. That's why they don't like it. So now you gotta change it, right? Still the same, modeling new meshes. Oh, we got ads. I'll wait. Lurking while working? Hey, I appreciate the lurk. I appreciate the lurk. Okay, so now what we want to do here is we're gonna do an on-clicked. Oh, I need to go into the graph. And let me get day-night switcher. We're gonna get the button. Get time of day switcher button. We're gonna on-clicked. Find event to on-clicked. We're gonna make a custom event. We're gonna call this time of day switcher. We're gonna make another custom event. We'll just call it switch time. Can you upload them anyway? Nope. I will either remove them or see if I can just create a shittier material. Damn. Damn. Okay, so now we want our we're gonna call this time of day underscore, or no, we're just gonna call it time of day. Time of day. This is gonna be time of day enum. So when we click this, the first time we're gonna set it to be nighttime. I guess we could add a branch. We could do a check as well. And grab time of day. Grab an equal enum. If it is day, we'll set it to night. And grab another branch. If it is... Let me just grab another equal enum here. Equal enum if it is night. We will set it to day. And then the rest of the stuff we're gonna do in the level blueprint. But I do need to set this, my time of day switcher, over here. Time of day switcher. Cool. That's sad. That is sad. Don't forget, if your character breathes in too much gases in game, it can get lung problems, so you have to carry an oxygen tank around. I don't think we're gonna have oxygen tanks. This is medieval fantasy. I don't think they exist. I don't think they exist in this universe. I always thought they want to have quality content in their market. Well, at least we know that they do kind of check on quality. Although I have seen some janky shit on the marketplace. Yeah, the quality of my product will be lower from my end just so it passes on their shitty graphic settings. Incredible. Yeah, last place you would expect This is Unreal. Yeah. Sell the low quality product there and sell the high quality product on your website. Can you do that? They probably have some rules about selling assets somewhere else, right? I know a lot of places do. Let's see. Just the rest of this will be on the level blueprint. Let's get character creator ref. We're gonna get our day night switcher. Oh yeah, so the Blender version as well with all the content how I like it. Hell yeah. Dope, dope. So we're gonna get our button time of day switcher. We're also gonna get time of day. And we're gonna on clicked, find event to on clicked. We're gonna make a custom event. Time of day switcher. Then we're gonna make another custom event here called change time, and kind of the same thing, equal enum if it is daytime. We will let me add this time of day switcher. Probably not on begin play, right? Probably need to add it over here. Let me move some of this over, because we don't want to do it before the character creator exists. Right. Yeah. What do we call that custom event? Time of day switcher. I'm also not too... Well, I guess we'll see what happens. I wonder if it'll look dumb, just switching to nighttime like that. The Blender market just checks if the content is at least there. Like you aren't a scammer? Hey, that's pretty lenient. They aren't gonna nitpick on small things. That's just the responsibility of the artist. Hell yeah. Add a decimate of 20 on the house and send it to Epic so they are finally happy. True. Remember, to a lot of people, as long as you don't get caught, you're fine. What you mean? I'm impressed that you're really implementing this. It was actually just a suggestion for me. Yeah, I mean, we could always remove it if we don't like it. Let's see. Let's see if it looks dumb or not. Alright, so we want to get a reference to this guy. Great, reference. And we want to get time of day, I think. This is where we're gonna have to do some testing. Oh yeah, also, well, we could do that here in a minute. This is gonna be the hard part, actually changing the time of day. Let's get another equal enum. If it's nighttime. Okay, so if it's daytime, we want to set it at nighttime. So, let's see. Set time. I don't know the variables in this asset very well, so what if we set hour? Set hour to 0. Let's try that. Let's see if that works. It did work. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. It is setting the hour, but it's not changing. So let's see. Let's see why not. We might just need to change something else. Set time. Set current time, maybe? I don't know. See what this does. Oh, it did work. It was kind of delayed, though. Let's go back. It's not working the first time. It only works the second time we click it. Why? Let's see why. Let's look at this. Oh, but it looks nice. It does work. It does work. Hydrate? I shall. I appreciate it. So let's see what's happening here when we click it. So we press it. It's saying it's not daytime. So why is it not daytime? It should be daytime by default. That's why it's not doing it the first time. Time of day. It is daytime here. Let me look at what's going on here. It might be... Maybe we delay this. What if we had a delay here? It might be doing it so fast over here that it thinks it's nighttime. Let's just add a small delay right there. And see if that works. Yes, that's what it was. I needed a little delay there. Cool. So now, all we need to do, we're gonna add a little delay right here. And then, let me look at what my current time is on this setting. 11? Okay. That means on here, we're going to basically duplicate this. Set this. We're going to set the time to 11. So if we press it again, it'll switch back to day. Night. It didn't switch back to day. Why not? It's only switching to night. Why? Maybe I just have the... Let me see. Let me check what this value is on begin play. It might just be a weird value thing. So let me go here. And I'm gonna get current time. Current time. Get current time. I love the that fog on the mountains of nighttime. Amazing. Or that clouds. I don't know. It might be both. There is fog and stuff in there. It could be both. So let's print string on... Well, you know print string. Print string, damn it. There we go. Print string. Let's see what it says the current time is here. 1100. That's why. Or what would, let me look at that number again. 11,000. Or like 11 and 3 zeros. Okay. So let's set this to 11 with 3 zeros. Let's see if that works now. Boop, nighttime. Boop, daytime. And it works. And it works. Amazing? Yeah, we just made that in what, 10 minutes? Something like that. We need to change that text though. Woohoo! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! So let's change that text. Let's update the text.
Yeah, bitch!
Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Let's get the text. No, not the button. Let's get the text. Time of day text. We're gonna set text. This guy, we might want to set the text before the delay. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. We'll see if it's a big deal or not. Maybe just add icons instead of a text on final UI. Oh yeah, yeah, that could be cool. Just a little picture of what time of day it would be. Yeah, that would be dope. But for now, since we don't have that, we'll just set text. So we'll set this to date. Yeah, that could be cool. Setting an icon instead. Be easy little change too. And then we'll make it say night. There we go. Cool. I have my base sitting on the bottom of my desk next to my feet, so if I play MechWarrior online and have them up and vibrates my feet and desk when explosions happen, the cheapest HPTIC setup since my speakers cost $50. Hell yeah! You get that rumble pack. That hella rumble. Let's make sure the text is updating. Yeah, it switches the day. The delay is a little ugly. So let's set the text before the delay. Now if I could just set this in a way that's not ugly. I don't need that button right there. I'm doing that too all the time. Are you for real? Hell yeah. Whoops. There we go. So let's check that again. And it works. Hell, yeah. Now you can see your character in day or night. Hell yeah. That looks really cool. Maybe just adding in the torch from the site and done. Yeah, just once we start actually adding some stuff around here to make it look cool. Add some torches on the side, and we could even probably turn those on and off if we wanted to. Like in the daytime, they're not on fire, but at nighttime they light up and the point lights turn on. But hell yeah, we got it. Let's just comment this. Oh yeah, great idea. Yeah, it could be cool. Could be cool. Let's call this time of day switcher. Cool. Okay, so let's get back to our other menu. Our general widget. Oh god, jump scare. The Bobo, what's up, the Bobo? Yo, how are you? What are you teaching today? We're not really teaching. We're just building. But we just built this time of day switcher button on the character creator. Mr. Direxus suggested it, so we just built it real quick. This guy, we could click the button, change the time of day. Yeah. Yeah. But what are you up to? What you got going on? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty nifty. Let's see. What all do we want on here? Let me pull my reference back up. I'm trying to think of how... Not that. I'll grab a... let me see. Do we have a player ref over here? I just want to kind of mess with something real quick. Where delete project redeem? Yeah, you ain't getting that redeem. You ain't getting that redeem. Not happening. Not happening. Material. Set material. Let me see. I'm just kind of curious about how I would go about lerping between a young and old texture. Might have to do the second UV thing to do that. How about restart the game redeem? Doesn't that mean he has to start this current project from scratch again? No, that's not what that means. It is not. I just need to delete that redeem because that's what everyone thinks it means. Nah, that was from when I was playing a bunch of games. I had to restart. I just need to delete that redeem because it's pretty much useless now. Very well. Today I discovered how to add foliage to a specific material. Amazing. Come helps between trees and grass. Oh, that's dope. How to add foliage to a specific material. Talking about like physical materials? Like that kind of a thing? Oh, oof. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I need to delete that redeem. Let me go delete that redeem right now, because I don't need someone to randomly make 1 million and choose that. You would need to add in an additional normal map with the old person wrinkles in the material, then lerp between the normals. Let me think about how that would work. You would need to add an additional normal map with the old person wrinkles in the material, then lerp. So I would just need to add in, like, make that a part of the metahuman. Here, let me pull this back real quick. So I would just need to go into the... Let me pull up my metahuman. RPG base smell. Pull up the material. Sadly, they only have old people textures for the face on metahumans, but it could be okay. So I would have to go into the parent material and add in the old person stuff to it. On the normals? Dynamic material instance to control the alert parameters from 0 to 1, part of the blueprint? Yeah. Yeah, that would be similar to how we did our color picker. I'm thinking about doing it that way because it would be cool. Would be pretty cool to do it that way. Valheim Meadows music? Yeah, good old Valheim. Needs to be changed to restart project. Yeah, I need to delete that. So I would need to, well, right here at the normal, I would need to alert. And what would I need to, would I need to add a dynamic parameter? No. What would I need to add for the lerp alpha, right? Yeah, so I would just need to A be one value, B the other value. Music stopped. Hold on. We go to something else. Yeah. Oh, we just listened to that. Come on now. Damn you, YouTube. So let me see. So what are they doing for their normals though? Because we would probably want to basically duplicate the entire thing they're doing for normals, right? Oh wow, that's complicated. Yeah, that's complicated. Okay. Well, I would probably only need to alert where the texture parameter is being set though, right? And not have to duplicate the entire thing. Yeah, but normals are being set in like 6 different places. Yeah, I don't know. No, you would just add an additional sampler and lerp between the two? Okay. So I would just add in... Would it need to become... After... I mean, they're doing a lot of stuff to their normals here. I don't know what all this stuff is doing to their normals. Would it not look bad to... Would it look bad if I just added in a lerp of a different texture sampler over here? Because I don't know what all these settings are doing to their normals over here. Scalability, right? Are you nuts? Landscape foliage type? Oh, hell yeah, yeah. Yeah, landscape foliage type. Yeah. Dope. We only run low at Epic. Hell yeah. LMAO. I love the engine though. Yeah, I love Unreal Engine. Is this one shader? That's wild. OMG. Add name reroute nodes. This is the meta humans material. This isn't something I set up. This is how they give you the material. This is what Epic did. Put a scalar parameter in for the LERP alpha, then reference that scalar parameter in the character blueprint for the dynamic material instance. Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, that doesn't sound too bad then. That doesn't sound too bad. But can you... Let me just undo that there. Let me look here. Dynamic material. Get dynamic material. Is this what I would need for that? Oh, we got friggin' ads. Dynamic material. Or is it create dynamic material instance? Parent, you can choose the parent. Put a scalar parameter. Create dynamic material instance. So this one right here is what I would need. And then set the material as the parent. And then you would pull off of here and get the values of the scalar stuff. We could try it. We could try it. It would be cool to add the LERP between the ages rather than a button that switches between the ages. Would be kind of nifty. Let me close all this stuff. Got a bunch of tabs open. Let me pull up this widget. And pull up the what was the other widget? The general widget. Yeah, we just need to set this guy up. But you need the parameter and the material. Would it be a material parameter collection? I feel like would be the easiest way of controlling that. Because that's what we did for the color picker, was use this. And then you would add a scalar parameter right here. And then change this dynamically. Something like that. That would make sense. That would make sense to me. We could probably make that work. Probably make that work. Because it'd be pretty damn similar to the color picker, what we did. But just instead of changing the color, just lerping between old and young. So it might even actually be a little easier than the color picker. Hold on, I'll show you a new trick. Gotcha, gotcha. I like new tricks. I like new tricks. All right, I'm in the dev channel. All right, let me pull up the old Discord. Discord. Pause this music here. Yo, yo.
Howdy, howdy.
Are you sharing your screen here?
Yep, I'm sharing my screen. I'll show you what a dynamic material instance will do and how to set it up.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I think we did that on the color picker, but like I watched some other videos that even set up that color picker, so
Yeah. Alright. So, if you notice on the character here, when his sword is put away, the emissions of the sword goes away. And as soon as I go into a combat stance, his
yeah.
sword has an emissive,
Yeah.
right? So, that is done through a dynamic material instance. That's already set up on the material. So to show you, we will go into the character, player character, Maximus, and we'll go into his weapons. Let me close down my other project because it's bogging my system down a little bit.
Yeah, it'll do that.
Well, I realized that everything's at 8K, so I've been downsizing the
Oh.
textures.
Yeah, 8K is way up there.
Yeah. Oh, come
Yeah.
on. Come on.
It'll get there.
It's a thinking.
Looks good though. But damn, 8K.
Yeah, so I'm going through and like all of this stuff, I'm down resing to like 512 back here, 1K, 2K, and 4K max.
Yeah.
Anything that's like, except for like something that's like extremely up close to the camera. Oh, you can see my dust now. See it blowing?
Oh hell yeah. Yeah, I do see that
Along
now.
the ground too.
Hell yeah.
It's volumetric, so it's 3D.
Right. Hell yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, like a lot of flames in Unreal Engines are like 2D, but they just pan around to the view of the camera.
Yeah. All right, I'll go back in here. All right, so if I go into his weapon katana material, so right now I have enable emissions, and if I go down to my emissive intensity, it's at 0.
Mm-hmm.
If I go to 1, you see how it turns on the emission?
Yeah.
All right, so this is the parameter that I'm looking for, and what I did is just in the emissions, all I have it is just slurping between, where's my masking emissions? So emissions intensity, well, this one is particularly, this is just a multiply, but if you think about it, you'd have a lerp too. So you'd have your normal, your base normal map.
Yeah.
And then you'd download the old person normal map. And then you'd have the two samplers side by side, and you'd have a lerp. And then you'd have a scalar parameter for age, and you plug that in, and at 0 it's young, and at 1 it's old, and then you get the range in between because the wrinkles would slowly lerp in.
Yeah.
So that way you'd have a range there. Once you set that up in your material, you'd then go to your blueprint. So if I go to back to Maximus. And actually, it's going to be my blueprints because base blueprint. And then I go down to where the weapons are taken out. So right here, visibility, instance, stowed active. It might be in the weapon blueprint. Yeah, okay. So I have a dispatcher that's triggering the dynamic material instance. And so the dispatcher is set when active. So whenever he hits the active status, which is he has his sword out, it creates a new dynamic material instance. So the target is going to be the material instance itself, which is what I have on the sword. I create a new variable, just name it melee active. I'm going to set this material now to the weapon. So I got the weapon mesh, which is the katana, and the instance of the material it's using. I'm taking a timeline and I'm doing an activate emission. So it's just a timeline is just a 0 to 1 value over time. Made it half a second. And then on update, we're setting the new scalar parameter value. And the scalar parameter value is emissive intensity. So this has to be exactly what it's labeled on the material. So if you saw before, my scalar parameter I had on that multiply was named emissive intensity. So I'm basically accessing that parameter and I'm dynamically changing it with the timeline based upon this event firing.
Okay.
And yeah, and so the target is just going to be the melee active right here. This is the target, the set material right here.
Yeah.
So that's why I created a variable, and then I reference that variable for the parameter value. And then the emission, that 0 to 1, is controlling the value of this parameter.
Yeah,
so that's how you set it up.
Yeah, so instead of a timeline for me, I would just need the on value change of the slider to change the value of that.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then that way you could just dynamically be controlling that lerp between the material in real time.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, that's pretty similar to how we did the color picker, but it's a little different. It's pretty similar though. But nice. I think we could probably pull it off. I think I'll probably pull that off.
Yeah, and I mean you can do tons of cool stuff with it too. So like, if you thought like you have your character bloody, or all these are dynamic material instance changes.
Yeah.
Spawning decals and stuff. So yeah.
Yeah, add decals to the character during fights to alert between like being covered in blood and scratches and stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's just that's what I do.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a shot because I think it'd be cool to do it that way rather than having a button that just swaps between young and old. Because then you could change the amount of like how far you want to go with the age.
Yeah, exactly. Because you get all those ranges in between of how old your character is.
Yeah.
And you could even do the dynamic material instance where upon that slider, additionally, what it's also doing is it's also affecting the salt and pepper hair color and everything to do with age.
Yeah. Yeah, it could be cool to do that.
Maybe also like introducing some liver spots or some skin changes.
Yeah, we could.
So you could have that drive everything. It'd be pretty neat.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that'd be cool. Yeah, I didn't do that on any of the other character creators I built, so that'd be something different too.
Also, one thing I was thinking on your quit menu. This is optional, but they always do this. If you go to quit, it actually saying, do you want to quit the desktop or do you want to go back?
Oh yeah.
I didn't mean to quit. Yeah, I want to quit.
Yeah. Yeah, same thing from like character creator. Like generally, like if you leave the character creator to go back to the menu, they ask you like, are you sure you want to like reset the character or lose the character? Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah. It's like this character will be gone if you do this. Yeah. Hell yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Right on. Yeah, look forward to seeing what you do.
Hell yeah. Yeah, we'll give it a shot.
All right. Peace.
All right, peace out, man. Cool. Cool. Yeah, he's always full of information. Always full of information. Full of that info. Now that's a wide monitor? Yeah, his monitor is huge. That's so small? What's so small? It's time? What's time? What's time? It's time, Carrie? What's time? It's time for what? What is it time for? I don't know what it's time for. It's time for Casey's head? Oh, to get all that info out of it? Yeah. We gotta get all that info out of there. I mean, he kind of just gives up the info, though, right? Yeah, I think we're gonna try that. We're gonna try to do alert between the age, because that would be really cool. That could be really cool. So right now, I don't really need any of this in here. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of sliders. We're gonna have morph targets and lerps between different kinds of things. It'd be really cool if we could... Oh, I need to delete all this stuff in the graph. Yeah, we can just delete all of this. None of that's gonna be relevant on this menu. So, we just want to change up what we're doing here. So I think our first buttons here are gonna be... We don't need any of this. None of this. We can keep the size box for now, I guess. And we'll just go all the way down. Well, we'll go all the way to... We'll just do that. Yeah. So let me look at this reference. Because we're going to do some things pretty differently from this reference, but some of the stuff will be pretty similar as well. Let me look at... Which one is it? This one? So yeah, we could do kind of like this for the male and female version. I'm just trying to debate on if I want to do these side buttons or if I just want to have two, like a button here and a button here that just switches. The little side buttons, it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but it'd be easier to just have two buttons. Like I think they do it like this because they have like, you know, like all the gender options. We're just gonna add a male and female button. I mean, because we're not gonna be adding genitals, penises, and vaginas and stuff like that, so I don't think we really need a list of genders. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna add a button that says male and then add a button that says female right next to each other, and then, you know, you click one, sets the male, click the other one, sets female. Let me grab a horizontal box. Let me rename this stuff too. And then this will be gender horizontal box. Gender. Like that. Let's see. Well, maybe... Let me think. Maybe we want... Let's actually wrap this with a... Wrap it with a vertical box. We'll call it gender vertical box. And actually, we want to wrap the whole thing, this whole entire vertical box, We might not even need the vertical box. We might just need a scroll box. Scroll box. Let's see. Because we can get the same thing with the scroll box, but we'll be able to scroll. And we're going to want to scroll. So, add. Just delete that vertical box. I have a question in the main menu. What made you decide to use cinematic cameras instead of standard camera actors? It's just what I'm used to using. Just how I normally do it. Instead of a camera actor. I guess it doesn't matter. I mean, they basically do the same thing. Right. I mean, they basically do the same thing. All the same settings are here. Right. Oh, that makes sense? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it really matters for this kind of a situation. They're pretty much almost identical for this kind of a thing. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Do we add our... Add scroll box there, and then we'll add this to the scroll box. Scroll box, there we go. Yeah, that should be fine. Let's grab a text. Add that to the horizontal box. Center it. What the hell? Fill? There we go. Yeah, like that. And this is gonna be our... Do lemon milk. We'll just make it say gender. I think you need to add in 20 more cameras. You're legging on the cameras in the game? Taking on the cameras in the game? We need 20 more cameras. You need to have 20 more angles that you can look at your character in the character creator. Need all the angles. All the angles. Let's see. So then we'll do... Yeah, then we'll just have a... Another horizontal box. You don't even have a butt cam? I mean, we can look at the butt. You can easily just look at the butt. Let me show you. All you gotta do is just move your character. You can turn around and look at that booty. If you want to. See, you can kind of see the butt. Just turn them around. Maybe we will add a butt camera though. For the morph targets. I can already rotate my character around with the mouse with no additional work? What do you mean? Does this guy leave his basement? Oh, you're getting banned. Boop. Damn, 2 bans in 1 day. Damn. 2 bans in 1 day, that's rare as hell. Does not zoom in. Also, it's 1 out of 10 on cameras. But it does zoom in. I mean, it doesn't zoom, but we can move in. YouTube comments be like that? Yeah, that's the second ban today. Someone was also being an asshole earlier. I mean, we could switch cameras like this. He wishes he could work from home? Yeah, true. True. I mean, it's not a zoom, but we could move in closer. Hell yeah. Okay, so now we need a horizontal box. And we'll fill that one. We're gonna add a button. And fill, let's duplicate this one. Yeah, like that. I'm not sure. I think it's because my character has a camera that has first person's perspective with control rotation and yaw applied to the camera, and so because the moving the mouse is supposed to rotate the character when I click and move my mouse from left to right. Oh yeah. Yeah, so like, yeah, that's definitely because of the rotation input thing. So yours is set up first person? Yeah, that makes sense though. Like if I'm actually playing the game, if I move the mouse, it'll rotate the camera, but not the player. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So we need, let's make this male button. And we'll make this female. Well, actually, let's just delete the second one and we'll make our changes to the first one. And then we'll just duplicate that one when we got it. Let me copy. Let me open one of these other widgets. If I have set show mouse cursor to true, when clicking the mouse still activates the game stuff for some reason. And in this case, it's rotating the character. What do you have, are you also setting your game mode when you do that? Because typically if you set, when you show mouse cursor, a lot of the times you're setting the game mode that you're wanting to use as well. So like if you set it to game and UI, then yeah, you could still affect the game. But if you set it to UI only, it'll only affect the UI. Wet fart, it's Rusey. What's up, Rusey? What you got going on? It's set as a game in UI yet? Yeah, that's probably why then. It'll only affect you and I. Yeah, the you and I, the UI. What up? What you got going on? I need it like that so I can use keys such as escaping for exiting the game. Yeah. Fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah, I mostly use game and UI as well for most situations like that. So, I woke up early today. Why so early? Getting food soon? Hell yeah! What you gonna eat? What you gonna eat? Grab these button colors. Better early than late. Yeah, true that. Better to get up early than late, because then you're late to everything. Okay, Okay, that should be good for colors. Let me get the outline though. Yeah. Oh, we got ads. I'm gonna take a pee break real quick. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Oh, amazing. Thanks so much for asking. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Doing well. Hell yeah. What's the plan today, Rusi? What you got going on today? So let's... Oh, I was doing the... Let me outline here. Do that. Same for the pressed. Work and work and work and then work. Yay, work. It's all about that work. Hell yeah, gotta love work. But hell yeah. Are you still enjoying your work? Still enjoying it? No burnout yet? Let's see. No, I'm ready to quit. Are you for real? Are you for real? I just need another job that pays better. Yeah. Yeah, I know that feeling. I know that feeling. Yeah, I've been on job hunting. What kind of jobs are you looking for? What kind of jobs you looking for? I don't know anything with English, I guess. Since I speak it? Ooh. I wonder what kind of jobs exist like that. What about like teaching English? Is that an option? Maybe if students are high schoolers, I don't really like dealing with a bunch of small kids. Have you applied to anything like that yet? Yeah, I could feel you there. I'm not big on the kids. Kids kind of get on my nerves. How about you come work with me on my game writing, some stuff such as dev blogs, etc. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. How much is that paying? How much you gonna pay? No? Hell yeah, maybe that'd be worth a shot. Doing some teaching. That'd be nice. Hell yeah. Yeah, that'd be a dope ass job. If I were to hire someone to write dev blogs for real, I'd pay them enough. Hell yeah. Yeah, that'd be dope. That'd be a sweet setup. Gender male. You're gonna be a guy or you're gonna be a guy. Which one you want? There you go. Cool. So now we'll have that set up. Ooh, I need to download my voice packs to know exactly how many voices there are. So let me grab those real quick. I don't know how many options there are. Where's the duck gender? That would be more like a class, right? Wouldn't that be more like a class? I do need to hire people though. I won't be able to do all of this on my own, unfortunately. I negotiate pay with the other person, to be honest. Oh, that'd be dope. That would be dope. What kind of help are you looking for? Nope, gender duck. We need to add a duck gender. We release this on Steam eventually? Hopefully. That's the plan. Oh, it froze up. It's hella froze. Might have to task manager it out. Oh, nope, there it goes. It finally came back. Yeah, I'm gonna go get food before it's too late. I'm getting hungry. Be right back. Gotcha. Hey, I appreciate you stopping in. Enjoy your food. Let's go. There we go. I don't know why I'm just bringing in those voices would've caused that much of a problem. Let's look at them though. Where are they at? Human vocalizations. So we have 3 female and 4 males with this. It will come out in the year 3000? Yeah, it'll come out probably the year 3000. Probably. I think I'd be looking for help in sound, such as creating music and sound effects, definitely. And I'll also be looking for some help creating environments because I'm so bad at that. Hell yeah. Yeah, see, like, I feel like I mostly need help in things like UI. And, yeah, some music help would be nice. And concept art would be pretty useful. And I guess that's kind of the main stuff. Yeah. Enjoy indeed. Survival RPG with resources and stuff, or more RPG like Skyrim with a story? Yeah, definitely not survival RPG. Definitely a RPG with like story and stuff. It's gonna be a story game. Think of it like if Elden Ring and The Witcher and Skyrim had a baby. That's kind of what I'm going for. Something like that. Let's take a listen to some of these voices. Let me pause this music real quick. Human, female, cues. Oh, we can cry. I'd mostly probably need a second C++ programmer and a Blueprint programmer too. Hell yeah. Damn, you need a lot of people. You need a lot of folks. Yeah, so I'd need to be on the hunt for some people good at those things soon? Hell yeah. When do you think you'll start looking for some of those folks? That's fancy? Yeah. I'd help, but I'm a beginner at Blueprints and beginner in C++. Hey, you'll get there, though. You'll get there. You good on story writing? Not really. Not really. ChatGPT is helping me with it right now. But I'm basically putting in ideas that I want and then kind of like throwing ideas into ChatGPT and then like taking aspects of it that I like and then like changing things about it. Yeah. No, I'm not really a writer. Not at all. Find that if you offer people royalty pay, once the game releases 9 times out of 10, they'll get very bored very quickly and completely ditch you. Yeah, true. Yep, people ditching projects is very, very common. Very, very common. Yeah, artists gotta be paid up front, so it'll be an investment. Yeah, if they know they're gonna like for real get monies, that will definitely help them stick with it. But even so, I bet a lot of people like would probably ditch out even then. It's just like a super common thing, especially in the indie game dev world, for people to just dip out on a project. I don't think I need to yet, but sometime in the next 3 months, most probably. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that could be dope. I wish you could. Hell yeah. Good? Yeah. Yeah, we're getting help. We're getting help with some of the story. We're getting help with the story. Still learning. Maybe sometime I can help. Yeah, I mean, games take a while. Games take a while. There might be a point in the development process where you can. Yeah, perhaps. Indeed, indeed. So let's pull... So I'm trying to think of how I want to do this. So for this one, we may want to use kind of a list thing. I don't even need to get paid. Hell yeah. Well, that's nice of you, though. So do I want to do it like this? Trying to think if I want to select the voices. Yeah, that's nice of you for sure, man. Yeah, definitely. Definitely nice. I could do it something like this. Let's see. We could... I need my next thing, though. So... Let me duplicate this vertical box. Okay, maybe not the vertical box. The size box. Yeah, like that. And then we're gonna get rid of... We'll get rid of the second button. If they weren't getting paid while helping, they definitely get split profits when the game is released. Yeah, that's the easiest thing to offer, is like split profits. It's hard to pay somebody, especially when you're not making like a big income yourself, you know, while the game is being made. I always wanted to make a dragon game or a dragon rider game. Do it. Make it happen. Make it happen. Suppose the only problem with royalty is that there is no guarantee that the person in the future won't wake up one day and think, I can't finish making this game, or the sole developer dies for some reason before the game is finished and released. Yeah, true that. There's never a guarantee. I think that's a big part of like what makes the indie world really, really hard too, is because like I find that most people in like the indie world, they're like dead set on like their specific game that they want to make. So it's hard to get help because people are already making their game for the most part when you're in the indie world. And most people are doing it solo, and everyone needs help with their game, but like they want to work on their game, you know? Like that's a big thing in the indie world. Everyone is like dead set on their game, and they're not, a lot of people aren't super open to just hopping on other people's projects, you know? I can send you my ex-girlfriend's mom. You can't have more dragon? Oh god. She was a dragon? Yeah, with a friend you could split profit, but with a random artist online that won't work. Do they have rent to pay as well? So they want to get paid for the work at delivery? Yeah, I mean there are places where you could, like, you know, places like on Reddit and Discord and, you know, different places on the internet where you can find people to help with projects, and you know you can list the type of people you're looking for as, you know, like royalty splits and stuff, but like, you know, it still comes with the risk of like that person leaving the project within like a few hours to a few days to a few weeks, or just randomly whenever, you know. Well, apart from that, the game might just flop and not make any money. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That is also always possible. It's rare that, you know, look at how many indie games get released on Steam every single day. And most of them you don't even know about. Like, you never hear about them, you know? Calm down, sir. Hence no available royalties. Yeah, it's completely possible. It's completely possible. Just tried to help. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, so this is gonna be voice. It will be a game with dragons, and the game will have dragon armor and dragon trading, and you hunt down gems to put in your armor to gain different types of dragon magic. That would be cool. That would be cool. It sounds pretty hard to make. Just getting a dragon, just that much sounds hard. And then you want to add armor and stuff to your dragon? It'd be pretty hard. Pretty hard. Also, if the game ends up successful and you're paying off like 30% of your royalties to all the people that helped, that end up way more than paying them up front. Yeah, it could. Yeah. But, I mean, if you don't have the option to pay them up front, then you just don't have the option, you know? Do you know the number of Steam games released? I heard a wild number. I have no idea, but I know there's a ton every single day that comes out. 38 games a day, 14,000 for the year 2023 on Steam. Yeah, that's a shit ton of games. 38 games a day for average. That's ridiculous. But I don't know if you've ever gone through the Steam page of games being released. A lot of them are just absolute garbage. A lot of them, but you know. But I have seen some really good little games released on there that you just never hear about. Yeah, there are some gems. There definitely are. There are some gems in there, if you keep an eye on them. Let's see. I think we want to get rid of this button. We want to do this differently. I do have a lot of upcoming indie titles in my wish list. I can share a few soon. Hell yeah, sure. I haven't really been looking at a lot of games coming up. I just haven't been playing a lot of games recently. So let's get a image, maybe? Image. And we'll set it as, maybe we don't want image. Maybe we want rounded box. Let's do that, yeah. As of now, indie games are getting better than AAA games. AAA mean pay a high price for broken game. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I would say most of the games that I'm interested in playing are on the indie side of things. AAA has been pretty rough in recent times. Yeah, there's some amazing AAA games from time to time. There definitely are. Baldur's Gate, of course. Yeah. Hellraisers 2 AAA, that got received pretty good. I'm not sure what that game is. Let's see. Baldur's Gate 3, I think, is AA, not AAA. I mean, Baldur's Gate 3 is pretty much AAA. Pretty much. Hellraiser. Is it Hellraisers or Helldivers? Hellraisers? I see Helldivers. Do you mean Helldivers? I only see Helldivers. This game? The one that everyone's been playing recently? No, Baldur's Gate 3 was like 100 million to make, even though the studio might be smaller. That's definitely AAA. Yeah, I would say Baldur's Gate 3 definitely leans more on the AAA side of things. Oh, what the hell? Back, welcome back, welcome back. How was your food? Are you talking about this game, Dennis? I'm gonna turn that music down. Mute that shit. Yeah, 6 studios, 300 devs, 100 million budget. I heard it was more like 100 dev or 500 devs. Like 500 to 600 devs that worked on it, I think is what I heard. I haven't had my food yet. I got it from a store. Oh, nice. What'd you get? What'd you get? Nope, Baldur's Gate 3 is indie developer. Yeah, this one got received well. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of people play this recently. Doesn't quite look like my kind of game, but I've seen people playing it. Devs? Yeah, they had a good chunk of people working on it. Hydrate, sure. Prison Architect 2 is coming out soon from Paradox. I'd say that's AA game. Let's see. Prison Architect. Or you said Prison Architect 2. Yeah, I haven't even heard of this. Oh, we got friggin' ads. I don't even know if that would reach AA, in my opinion, honestly. I would say something like Lies of P is AA. It's really good, but it's not quite AAA. I would say something like this is AA. Something like The Chant, I would say, is in the range of AA. Maybe A Plague Tale Requiem might be in like that AA range. Yeah, stuff like that. That's why Baldur's Gate 3 is good. They're an indie dev that produce AAA titles, pretty much. Yeah, they're pretty much an indie dev making AAA games, or they're a privately owned studio. I think it's kind of the idea behind them, right? Heard Ubisoft calling their new pirate game a quadruple A, which is silly. Yeah, you talking about damn Skull and Bones. But I say GTA 6 could be quadruple A. Yeah, maybe so. Quadruple A. That game could cost from 500 million to $1 billion with about 6,000 devs. Yeah, that's probably gonna be the biggest game ever when it drops. Actually, almost guaranteed to be the biggest game ever when it drops. Are we talking about batteries? Yeah, we're talking about batteries. Talking about batteries. Oh, Scorn, I might get that. I saw it on Humble. It's decent. It's okay. It's not the best game in the world, but the visuals in it are amazing. Some of the best visuals I've ever seen in a game like this. The combat in it got on my nerves, though, to be honest. I didn't like the combat in it. I have a whole bunch of AAA batteries. Do you? How many do you got? How many do you got? Privately owned is huge because nobody demands growth in the next quarter. Yeah, you're not having to please other people. Those tend to be way better than AAA games. Yeah, you're not wrong. 100%. Hell yeah. GTA 5 was huge when it released too. Yeah, I mean, everyone loves GTA, so... Not everyone, but... GTA is probably the biggest video game franchise out there these days. At a development cost of 250 million? Damn. GTA 6 will kill every game. Oh, at least with their new technologies. Yeah, we'll see. Honestly... I would be more excited for a new Red Dead. Like, I'll play GTA 6, but I would be more excited for a new Red Dead than a new GTA. The way GTA 6 is just double, I think I will be more towards 1 billion. Who knows? Who knows? Uncountable? You have an uncountable amount of AAA batteries? Why? Why you have so many AAA batteries? Especially the amount of time they're working on it. Yeah, I wouldn't plan your game release around GTA 6 release. I doubt we'll be done with this any time near that time period, so. I'm more excited about GTA 6 than the Elder Scrolls 6. Yeah, I'll definitely play GTA 6. I'll play the Elder Scrolls 6 too, though. I wouldn't say that I'm overly hype about either, though. Like, I used to be huge into GTA, but, like, I couldn't tell you the last time I played any GTA. I'm guessing a new Steam record, too? Probably. Finally breaking that 3 million PUBG record? Yeah, it'll probably kill it. Actually, isn't GTA 6 not coming to PC immediately? Isn't that what I heard? Like, it's not going to be on PC? Like, on initial release? Sims 4 gets killed soon. Gets killed soon too. Seen a new game trailer of the creators of PUBG. What's happening to Sims 4? I played GTA Online so much. I played like almost no GTA Online. Like barely any. I've tried it like once or twice and wasn't really that into it. Nah, maybe 2026. Yeah, you talking about the Steam release? It better not be. PC is more important. Yeah, I've heard it's not coming to PC on initial release. Might just get a PS5 to play it early and sell it after. I'll just wait. I'm not buying a PS5 for it. I'm not buying a PS5 for it. It's way too damn much money. PC is more important. I know, right? I'll search for the trailer. Hell yeah. Way more important. Check Paralives. I played GTA Online when it was early. Later it got shit. Yeah, I don't remember when I tried it, but I wasn't that into it. Check Paralives. Is that a game? At 3 minutes, check the 3 minute mark. Let's see. This is Enjoy official gameplay overview reveal. Damn, that's a pretty wild character creator. Damn. They can let you go wild with that character creator. Oh, this is a Sims type game? Oh, shit. Whoa, yeah, you might be right. Sims might be dying after this one. This does look more impressive than The Sims. Enjoy good creation? Yeah, this is the first time I've seen this. Almost as good as AVP. This is my first time seeing this. This looks crazy. When does this come out? I like me some Sims. Do you play in... Was that third person stuff going on here? What? And you could do third person shit in it? That's freaking awesome. Let me catch up on the YouTube chat over here. AVP has the #1 character creator. Yeah, you can build your stuff, get babies, and job, etc. Yeah, I want to play it. I want to play it. I like how it says The Sims on the category. I think I missed a another link back here. Let's see what this is. Yeah, that looks amazing. What is this? Paralives? Paralives? Is this also like The Sims? You live and you die, but at least do it in a nice house. Paralives is an upcoming life simulator game. Build your dream house, create some characters, and manage their lives the way you want. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of like The Sims. Seems cool. This one looks almost identical to The Sims, though, as far as I can tell, in a lot of ways. Seems cool, though. I like these kind of games. Graphic style is a little bit different from The Sims, but very, very nice. Hell yeah. Let me make sure I'm caught up here. Let me make sure I'm caught up here. You're the third person? Yeah, I like that. I like that they did that. That's friggin' awesome. Catch up on the chat here. Whoa, what's that? Talking about what we were just watching, the Enjoy thing. I heard something of Fourth Quad 2024. That's when the game comes out. I might be grabbing that one. And Paralives also coming out. So a lot of Sims games coming out. Finally some competition. Yeah, Sims has had a bit of a monopoly there. Oh wow, sounds like Second Life. The name? Talking about the Paralives thing or the Enjoy thing? Finally get a girlfriend when it comes out? Hey, me too! Me too! Me too! Finally! Adding K, work done? Sup? What up? What you got going on? We're just sitting here talking about games, kinda. But what you got going on? Yeah, follow this project on Twitter. Looks amazing. Hell yeah. They have AI girlfriends you can get. Yeah, but like, I guess that's not a bad option. Yeah, a bit more cartoony style, but looks amazing. Yeah, it looks pretty cool as well. Looks pretty cool as well. Might try that one as well. Oh, I wonder if this game will implement the ability to voice chat with AI. Maybe. That could be cool. Fresh Meat 911. What up, fakers? How are we this evening? We're doing pretty good. What you up to? We've been sitting here talking about new like sim games for a minute. What you got going on? Submitted the house again to Unreal now. Let's see if they buy into my upgraded materials. Yeah, let's see what happens. We'll see what happens. I finished the models. Everything is ready. Time to drink some hot tea and relax. Hell yeah. Congrats. Work is done. The work is done. Hell yeah. Just sitting down at the PC. Nice. What's the goal? What's the PC goal? What is the PC goal? So, let's copy these colors. Paste. Oh, I also need my... Oh, we're missing that on these too. Radiant. This, yeah. I need this on all the buttons. There we go. Still figuring out what I want to be when I grow up? Well, how long you got till you grow up? How much time you got left? How much time you got left? Hopefully a lot of time. I'm out of time and I still don't know. This one is also cool. Felt like Raph kinda, but with a van. Let's see. let's take a look. Outbound. I feel like maybe I've seen this one. Maybe. Seen that yesterday. That looks awesome too. I like that idea with the camper. Oh, this is straight up survival. Yeah, I never played Raft, but I dig it. I like me some survival games. You can customize your camper and shit, your van. Seems cool. Seems cool. Yeah, I could get down with that. Seems like a game I could dig. Hell yeah. I retire in August. I'm 40. Shit, I'm not far behind you. Damn. So you retire and you don't know what you want to be when you grow up? You at 30 still don't know? Yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Sometimes you just don't know. Just don't ever figure it out. Trailer released like 2 days ago on IGN, so maybe you saw it there? Maybe. Maybe. May have seen some things about it. Looked kind of familiar. Building a caravan? Hell yeah. Yeah, that looked pretty dope. Looked like something I could get down with. Hell yeah. Like games like Civ, there's a lot of Civ-like games coming out too. I'm hitting 31 in 2 weeks, so no, I turned 30 in August. Are we talking about like Civilization? Is that what you mean by Civ? Let's see. We're gonna voice image. Yeah, I've never played Civilization. I've watched a lot of stuff on it and it doesn't quite seem like something I would like. Extremely high for this one. Era History Untold. Let's take a look. Why'd you just completely stop when I went full screen? I don't want to hear the devs talking. Show me the game. Oh, this looks cool. I like these kinds of things. The little battler thing, at least. This looks like I would maybe like it better than Civilization. It looks like something I could enjoy more. From what I can tell is going on here. Definitely looks inspired by Civilization though. Hell yeah. Heard the 30s are the best years. Yeah, I've heard 30s are better than 20s from a handful of people, but we'll see. I don't know about that. I want to become corn on the cob when I grow up, but it looks like it will never happen. Hey, if you try, you could be anything, even a corn on the cob. Even a corn on the cob. Never give up. Mine were not kind to me. Yeah, my late 20s weren't very kind to me. Hopefully my 30s are better. It is more, not a trailer, more of a dev diary. Yeah. Like mainly the scale and details of this world. get me hyped because Civ is more zoomed out. Yeah, I just know the little bit of stuff that I've watched on Civ, it didn't really look like something I would like that much. And then Paradox is creating a Civ-like game called Millennia. It also comes out this year. Let's take a look. Tried the demo already in Steam Next Fest. Did this one? Age of Plague. So they got a Plague. Age of Utopia. Oh, it's the different ages. Right. I think it'd be really cool to make a like a third-person survival game, kind of like Valheim, but that kind of goes through like the process of like evolution. Like you start off as like this ape-type creature, but then like the more you like, you know, unlock things, you go through the progression of evolution. Like you eventually go through these different stages of evolution and like eventually build up, are able to build up like towns and stuff. I think that'd be really cool. Yeah, you have to reach certain goals to start an age. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I have a game for that in Unity though. For what, the evolution idea I was just talking about? It's actually a cool idea. Hell yeah. I've had that idea since I was like 10. Thinking about making a game like that, but it would be super complicated. Monkeys strong together? Hell yeah. So if you want an Age of War, get war benefits, but you need a proper army. Be able to start that age? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Eat mushroom and conquer the world? Yeah. That's, yeah. That's kind of the idea. You eat a mushroom, hit your next evolution point. Get stronger. Get bigger brain. Yeah, that'd be dope. Is it like something you're building? If I ever would develop a game, I'd go with something like a city builder too. Hell yeah. Yeah, I'm not really interested in building a city builder, but I'm interested in a lot of different ideas though. I stay in the ape time with Big Papa King Kong. Just stay in that time. Never progress. Never evolve. I can feels. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and call it here. My ears hurt. Gotta eat and rest, man. Stay cool. See ya. Hey, I appreciate you stopping in. I'll see you around. I was, however, I am currently on hiatus. Oh, yeah, just taking a break from it, I guess. Yeah, sometimes it gets like that. Need a little break from a long-ass project. Goodbye, everyone. Yeah, we'll see you around. Let's see if there's anyone we want to raid on Twitch. Nice stream again, man. Catch you tomorrow. Hey, I appreciate you hanging out. Let's see. See ya. I see you around. Let's bye. Yeah, I guess we'll just call it here. Alright. So, yeah, we'll call it here. I'll be back on tomorrow. I'm gonna chill out, chill out for the night. I appreciate everyone hanging out. Okay, bye, man. Catch you soon. Hey, I appreciate you. Good night. Yeah, good night to you as well. So, yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow. I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out, homies.